Hi friends, my name is Aditya. Welcome to our YouTube channel Love and Learn. In this video, we can learn MEMS as microactuator. First of all, we can learn what is microactuators. An microactuator is a control device that makes something move. Microactuators use input energy and release output energy in a controlled manner. Mechanical actuators act upon something and move it with force or torque. In mechanical actuators, input energy is electrical signal and output energy is mechanical. The process of micro movement is called microactuation. Microactuators are light in weight, conformable and precision devices. Produce motions over small distance of the order of microns to millimeter. Produce small forces of the order of piconewton to millinewton. Produce force and motion in entities of small sizes. We can move on to next slide. Next is block diagram of MEMS as microactuators. Power supply may be electrical current or voltage. Power supply is given to transduction unit. Transduction unit convert input power supply into the desired form of functions of actuating element. That is voltage for transducer, which functions the actuating element. The output of the transduction unit is given to the microactuating element. The microactuating element is a material or component that makes moves with power supply. Usually the output action is in a prescribed motion. Next is actuators with different output. First one is mechanical actuators. Mechanical actuators produce motion as output and input is electrical quantity. Some of the mechanical actuators are motors, engine, pumps, etc. The input energy is electricity and the output energy is the motion. Next is optical actuators. Optical actuators produce light as output and it takes electrical quantity as input. Some optical actuators are LEDs, solid state lasers, etc. In LEDs, power supply is input quantity and light is the output quantity. It is a simple example for optical actuator. Acoustic actuators. The input to the acoustic actuator is electrical quantity and the output is sound energy. Example speakers. That is input energy is power supply and the output energy is sound. We can move on to next slide. Mechanical microactuators with different input energies are electrostatic, electromagnetic based actuators, thermal actuators, chemical actuators, piezoelectric actuators, shape memory alloy that is SMA, smart material based actuators, light induced actuators, biological actuators. Next is actuators are transducers. Transducers convert one form of energy into another form. All the actuators are transducers, but all the transducers are not actuators. As shown in the figure, actuators convert input energy into output energy. The output energy may be mechanical, optical, radiation, acoustic, field, etc. The output energy may vary depending on the actuator. If it is a mechanical actuator, the input energy is converted into mechanical. And if it is optical actuator, the input energy is converted into optical output. And so on. We can move to next step. Next is application of microactuators. The applications of microactuators are actuation of micromirrors to scan laser beams, printing applications, driving of cutting tools for microsurgical applications, driving micropumps and valves for fluid and gas transportation, data reading and recording tool, radio frequency signal tuning, optical signal switching. These are the applications of microactuators. If you have any doubt on these topics, please put it on the comment box. We will answer you later. Thank you.